Hello, good evening everyone. You're watching Stock Trading Tutor channel. I used to make videos based on stock market as well as I used to bring updated news morning and evening based on stock market. So friends, if you want to join my free technical classes for the stock market and stock trading tutors, then you can just give a missed call on 9606046814, as well as I have provided a link in the description box for a Telegram. Also, you can join my Telegram channel and you can watch all my updated videos there also. So friends, let us see today's evening closing market. As already we have morning discussed about the Nifty 50 pre-opening was in minus, changes we find by 244. So today market is closed by very much down, and here you can see 8,975.40. My market is declined by 42 and advanced by 8, and here you can see changes minus 286.45. So the top gainers of today's Nifty 50 is Dr. Reddy, Infra Bharti Airtel, Hero Moto Corporation, Britannia. These are the five top gainers of the Nifty 50. If we talk about the top losers, Indus India Bank, Bajaj Finance, Z Entertainment Limited, Hindalco, and ICICI Bank are the top losers of the NSC. Here we will be seeing about the market live updates about today's. So here you can see the market is declined by 46 today, and indices off days low, and Nifty below by 9,000. Bank and RIL most active today. So Indian market reacts to the US crude futures falling massively, and expect the pharma and other sectoral indices are trading lower today. So if we talk about the Oriental Carbon company is going to be resume operation there. The company is resuming its manufacturing operation situated at Mundra and Gujarat with the limited manpower and with all the necessary precautionary hygiene and safety measures. If we talk about the Nifty Private Bank indexes fell by 5.6 percentage, led by the Indus India Bank, Bandhan Bank, and RBL banks. So here you can see the changes. Almost RBL Bank is minus 9.90, and we can see the uh, other industrial sector also be weekly they are not able to trade in a good way. So lockdown started in the March, with which are considered to be the most important month for the sectorial in terms of execution and payment collection from the clients. So now we can say the rupee ends lower today. So Indian rupee has finished the day near the record low level, aimed sellings seen in the domestic equity market on the bank of drop by the oil prices. So it has ended by 29 paisa lower at 76.83 per dollar against the Monday close of a 76.54. So if you see the here, you can see Nifty around 8,950. So nearly the losses extended. So here you can see Sun Pharma and almost rest of other stocks are traded in negative and ready today. So let us have a discuss on the market day by the some queries based on the experts view. So with the most global rating agency reducing the growth forecast for India, do you see a second stimulus package coming? So a market are definitely grappling with the current host, we can say the environment as a fear looms and large upon the future and global growth. So however, the market are still hoping against the hope that trillion of the dollars being pumped into the global economy and will somehow lead to the soft landing rather than the crash landing of the economy. So if we see the second 2 to 3 stocks that are looking attractive for a medium or a long term time frames. So amongst the few stocks that can be looked at investing from the long term perspectives, like in here, and another stocks that can be looked at from the long term perspectives is the Asian Paint Limited, APL, and with the upside potential of almost 20% from the current levels. So if you talk about here, the another question is the Nifty 50 has railed by over 20% from the lows, and do you think the momentum is likely to sustain? So a market have been extremely volatile over the past a few weeks, and it does definitely appear so, and it's not for the faint and hearted in the movement. So the short of volatility here that has been displayed clearly shows the fears still rule the roost, and the investors sentiments are caution. So the resulted in the sharp rally of almost 20% plus gain in the past couple of weeks. Apart from the short covering, here you can see the also playing and its part, and the pullback rally has been too fast and furious at the same time, making the bearish run to cover it. So if we talk about what are the important levels which investors should track this week, so the talking about the benchmark indices, Nifty is likely to run into the resistance between 9350 to 9650 zone, whereas on the downside 8000 to 8400 zone to act as a crucial support zone. Looking at the Sensex support in seen around that 30,000 or we can say 28,500 zone, whereas the resistance is seen around 32,000 to 32,900 zone. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you're having queries based on stock market, you can just give a comment to this channel, or else you can just give a missed call. The number I have provided here in the screen as well as in the description box. So if you are new to this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you once again.